Oke, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. So today we have our speaker, which is Rafif, will be explaining about UI and UX. But before that, let me introduce my name. My name is Arya Satya Erang Wibowo, and you guys can call me Arya or Elan. So without any more, let's just go to Rapid to introduction himself and other.
Okay, hello guys. In here, I want to explain about my UI UX design. It's about this. You guys can read is Islamic prayer application. And before that, let me introduce myself. My name is Muhammad Rafif Zumi Fawas, and you guys can me Fawas or not Rafif. Okay, in here, before I make this UI UX, I just searching for the simple one, and I already make it. It's about Islamic prayer application, and in here you guys can see is my mockup. I make it for the design of uh, what the name UI UX, and there is the explaining, and this is the inside of my application. And before that, my application not going to release in Play Store or not App Store. It just some prototype, just for easy project. And before I doing the prototype in here, you guys can see there are so many. I make it. Before we start it, I just review the design first. And you guys can see in here the white one, this loading, this for the opening app. And there's some picture. This just empty picture, but inside of the empty picture is some logo, but it's small, very very small. Later he going big, and this like closing it become dark. After that, it in this one, the strip one and the logo going up from the down. After that, making big and Islamic prayer application. And we're going to start from the home. The home I just make like this, like iklan for you guys for watching some movie like video dakwah or tajwid or others and sirah. And in here there is some search, but I not yet make it the prototype. And this I making it for like realistic, like we going to in phone. And this some background, this a mouse, and this is like home button. This for home button going to here, and this is like calendar, like uh what the name is, like the symbol is jadwal azan or iqamah, and this is for your profile. And you guys can see this block of purple, it's some like a clock later going to show in from the application. And if we go to here, just if you already in home, just click this one, the home button, later going here. Oh yeah, in here there is some feature. There is doa, Al-Quran, story, praying, like kajian or like ceramah or others, fasting, amal, and saving money or donation money. Okay, let's just if you guys can click this all. If you click the prayer one, later you guys go to here prayer. This still empty, but you guys just click started. Later going to here, like you guys can pick the you guys can pick what pray you want to read it, and I just make it just making it three, just praying, go inside house, go out house, and sleeping, prayer sleep. And in here I make some Arab word that for you guys to read it, and there is some uh, what dalil you guys can see, and there is some Indonesian or not, you guys can read it for the Arab one if you guys cannot read some Arab. And there is some voice. I not yet make the prototype yet, And next and back, it's there is I make it some prototype. If you guys click next letter, go to this page. This one, you guys can see. If go to the next one, yeah, it's go to here too. Back, just same like this. Later, I going to give you guys some example. Okay, now the doa, the prayer one already done. Now let's go to the Al Quran. In here, the Al Quran, we same like the prayer one. Need to click the get start. After that, there is some juice for you guys, 1 until 13, and there is some surat for you guys to click. If you guys click surat, later go here. There's surat An-Nas, Al-Falaq, Al-Ikhlas, and others. You guys can see. If you guys click An-Nas, later go to the surat. After that, there is you guys can scroll to down for reading more. And Al-Falaq and Al-Ikhlas. I just make 3 because making it is very little bit long. And in here, some feature, if you guys click other 2 of these, later go to some YouTube channel for hearing the surat, a voice like somebody read the surat. And there is some ayat for you guys know how many is it, and others in here, yeah, maybe no more. And halaman, I not yet make see. Later, maybe later I going to make it. Okay, now let's start from story. It's story about our prophet. There is Prophet Adam, Idris, Nuh, Hud, and others. But because I'm in model design, I cannot see the down one. But if later I'm going to give you guys some example. And if you click Adam, our prophet Adam, later in here, the application going to tell what the story of our prophet is Adam. And there is this picture about our prophet. If you guys click later, there's some video going to explain about our prophet. And others too, Idris there is, and Nuh there is too. Yeah, the same. I just make 3. Okay, now let's continue to our praying. It's Salat. Salat in here. Oh yeah, this I make it very simple, just 3, but it's good. Okay, it's the same. Just from the get start, you guys need to click it for continuing. And this is for Qiblat. Like where you want to pray, that the Qiblat or like compass, and there is some number for you guys for knowing. And I make it very simple, just circle. After that, just strip. And this design I make it little bit blur or not texture. And in here there is time for like azan or not iqamah. But this the purple one cannot show because I not prototype yet. Later I going to give you some example after I give you guys some showing my design. And this is for azan, maghrib, subuh, zuhur, asar, and isya. There is, and this some animation of clock later going to start. Okay, now let's go to kajian. The kajian same, just like this. Just get start. After that, I just making it 2 because it's going to be hard. So that's why I just using some banner of some ustad. Later, if you guys click the picture of this photo, later going to the YouTube channel and read. You guys going to hear his kajian. Now going to our fasting. Oh yeah, fasting is this one. Oh yeah, in here, same. Yeah, I always making it same. Going to using get start lah, because it's going maybe making it good. And there is pengertian, jenis-jenis, story, and jadwal, like a time. And there is some iklan too. If you guys click it, later go to the channel. if you guys click the pengertian, later going in here, you guys going to tell what is fasting, and some many of fasting. There is fasting wajib, sunnah, and cannot fasting. And there is some story about our fasting. There is some story you guys later can see. Okay, now in here there is some wait jadwal. This is jadwal. Maybe I not yet make, but this is story. Continue. This for next for you guys to read uh, more. What the name here? More more knowing lah about the story of our fasting, and this go to back home. And still there's some what? Still there's some iklan you guys can see. Okay, now let's go to amal. Okay, in here like you guys centang like your amal, what you do from first day until the end of the day. Like you first in this day you do all thing like salat 5 time, but tepat waktu like that lah, and salat sunnah, reading Al-Quran or others. Later this can scroll to, it's going to be 100%. And if you guys not doing something like giving money to people like sedekah, or save your lisan or your talking or others, you guys not like correctly do it in real life, later it's going to be 10% or not 30. Yeah, I just make it same. Yeah, just like that. And we're going to continue to our bank. In here I make a bank. It's so simple. In here you guys can see your uh, what your transaction. You get give or not, you top up or transfer. This for send, this for rise or top up, and more. And this is how many you have the money. And this here is there is some number font if you guys want to know, and have the year. I make it year of this. Yeah, it's already out the design maybe. And there's some reward, but yeah, I not yet make the prototype and others. And this later he going to open hi, and it's my name. How are you today? He going to asking like that. And there's fingerprint. Yeah, I don't know. I just making it for like more good lah the design. And now let's continue for the wait donation. In here there is donation for Palestine, mosque, for anak yatim, piatu, and helping poor people. This you guys can donate it for three. Yeah, three. I just make it three. The design. Yeah, I just copy paste this one. From the our bank. I just copy paste and put it for showing how many our money, and you guys can know what you want to transfer. And this is you guys can pick one to donation how many, and this you guys can read it what typing how many you want to donate it, and this just for clicking the donation. Now let's go to the last is my profile. I make it the profile just like here, my your name or my name. After that, maker of the Islamic app. Yeah, this little bit deeper I make it the reading. And this is my birthday, and where I from, my hobby, and my character. Okay, just like that. Yeah, so simple, right? Okay. Now I want to show you guys for the prototype. Maybe it's going to be awesome. Okay, let's go to the prototype. We just go here. Before that, I click it and go here. Wait. I share screen first. Wait. This I'm going to share screen for you guys to see what the application like. Wait. This one. No, no. Eh, yes, this one. Ah, you guys can see. Wait. This I forgot to making it fill it up. Okay. Wait. Okay, you guys can see in here. This is the application. It just opening like this. Wait. Okay, just opening. This is the opening. Okay, now it just in here. We're going to inside. You guys can scroll the icon, and this is home button. Yeah, not yet make it. And this mouse, there are others. Many. I make it. If you click it, you start. You just like this. You guys can scroll to and go inside. Yeah, maybe that's all for me. Uh, just making it simple see for the this one the doa one, and I want to continue the for the what this let's continue for the others one. Wait. Okay, we go to the home first. After that, go to the Al Quran. Okay, let's go get start. And you guys can scroll to. Oh yeah, I forgot to say to you guys. I just make the design for just 10, not until 13. Sorry guys. Halaman, I not yet make it. Yeah, uh, it's so hard. And this, if you click Anas, later going see, and you guys can read it. This, you guys can scroll down for reading more, and go back, get start again. Surat after the Al-Falaq. You guys can scroll too. Okay, it's still good, right? Now go to the story. The story. Just click Nabi Adam. Later you guys can read it and skip. We go back after that to our prophet Idris and Noah. Our prophet is Noah. Okay, now just going back again. Wait. Okay, I back here. Okay, now go to prayer. In here, this is the before I want to say it, the time one. This the compass for our kiblat for you guys can see. After that, the time. Now it's going to see right, not like before in the design because I'm making it for you guys can see in here. This is what the time, how long we're going to azan, asar. It's just 4 minutes and going to azan time. You guys can scroll, and you guys can see this picture of clock. I making it some animation for making it good lah. Okay, you guys can scroll it. You guys can see. Now let's go back to the house home. Wait, yeah, it's going to be long. Okay, if already in home, now go to kajian. Just get start, and you guys can scroll. There's many. If you click it, later you're going to the video of this kajian. You can see there's block of blue. If you click it, going to the video. Now let's go back. Okay. Now going to the home. Now we're going to fasting. Wait, going to get start. And about fasting, in here you guys can click the picture down there, the kajian one. You can see it just like iklan. And we going to the jenis, like how many fasting hour. There's iklan too. Okay, wait. We can go to story. In here you guys can see the next one. I can click it. Can go next and back for seeing the complete one of the story. Okay, now we're going to the jadwal. I'm not make it yet. Okay, now let's go back to the home. Continuing for the wait guys. Okay, now it's Amal. Amal, you guys can see. Just get start. Yeah, I not yet make the. Oh, I forgot to make the scroll one. And there is Amal. This for our ibadah, Amal about our daily life, and this is amal our social, like close to other like masyarakat. Okay, now we going to the amal already done. Now going to wait. I going to home first. Okay, home. After that, our bank. You guys can see this is our bank. The design in my prototype. Yeah, no more for the clicking. Maybe just that. No, I cannot click the home button. Okay, we can click. Now for the donation, the last, if you click the helping Palestine, later you guys can see for the donation. Already, just like that. And let's go to the profile. Just click in here. It's my profile like this. Yeah, don't see. Maybe. Okay. Maybe before that, I want to wait. I going to share screen from the wait. Wait. I go to my Figma first, and I just want to give you guys some little bit more good my animation of opening app. This I going to make some app later. This is the animation I make it. Yeah, it's a little bit good lah. Okay, maybe that's all for me. Sorry if I have some mistake from this reviewing my prior application. Sorry. Now let's go to the our speaker, our MC, Arya.
All right. So thank you for Rafif to explain it and animation and also his UI and UX is very great. Thank you very much. So we can end this by salam. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Okay, goodbye.